All right, let's talk about writing. We're going to tackle the whole process head on. We'll break it down from the very beginning and turn what feels like this huge, scary task into a simple, totally manageable skill. Okay, let's jump right in. Oh, you know that feeling, right? That blinking cursor, the endless white of the page. It can feel like you've hit a total wall. But what if I told you that beating writer's block isn't about some random flash of inspiration? Nope. It's about having a blueprint. And here it is. This is our blueprint for today. First, we're going to conquer that blank page. Then we'll get to know the mighty paragraph. After that, we'll see how to scale it all up to build a full essay. And that's going to unlock your new writing superpower. So, what is the big secret to good writing? I'll tell you what it's not. It's not magic. And it's definitely not some talent you're just born with. It's a skill. And it's a skill built on one simple thing: structure. The moment you understand the structure, you're in control. It all comes down to mastering one single, fundamental unit. If you can get this one thing right, everything else, I'm talking everything from a quick email to a huge report, just clicks into place. So what is this foundational piece? It's the paragraph. That humble chunk of text we see absolutely everywhere. It is the DNA of all good writing. And we're about to find out just how powerful it really is. Okay, so let's get a really clear definition down. A paragraph is just a group of sentences all working together on a single idea. The key words there: structured and single topic. This means every single sentence has a job, and there's no wandering off point. So, how do we actually build one? Well, a really effective paragraph isn't some random jumble of sentences. It has a clear anatomy. So let's break down the 4 essential ingredients that really make a paragraph work. Seriously, think of this like a recipe. You start with a really strong topic sentence. Then you add in your supporting details to give it some meat. You make sure it all holds together with unity and coherence, and you wrap it up with a nice, clear, concluding sentence. You get those 4 things right, you've got a perfect paragraph every time. Let's talk about unity for a second. This is a super simple but absolutely critical rule. It just means one paragraph gets one main idea. That's it. So if your paragraph starts out talking about the benefits of living in the city, it can't suddenly start talking about your favorite kind of dog. That focus is what keeps your reader on track. Okay, what about coherence? This is all about making sure everything flows smoothly, So you can do things like repeat keywords, use consistent pronouns, or drop in transition words like moreover or however to act as little bridges between ideas. It's all about connecting your thoughts so the reader isn't making these jarring mental leaps. All right, out of all those ingredients, one of them is the absolute king. It is the leader of the pack, the one thing that guides the entire paragraph. I'm talking about the topic sentence, and you can think of it as a GPS for your reader. The job of the topic sentence is pretty simple. It makes a promise. It tells the reader exactly what to expect in the sentences that follow. And by putting it right at the beginning, you're giving them a clear roadmap for the information they're about to get. So here's the formula for a killer topic sentence. It's not just a topic, it's a topic plus what we call a controlling idea. The topic is your subject, right? Like Harry Potter. But the controlling idea is your specific opinion or angle on it, like, is an annoying character. Put them together and you get a sharp, focused sentence that the rest of your paragraph can now prove. I love this analogy because it's just so perfect. A good topic sentence is a signpost. It literally points the way, it stops your reader from getting lost, and it makes sure that both of you, the writer and the reader, are headed in the exact same direction. So now that we've got the building block down, get ready for the big aha moment, because the structure of a perfect paragraph is the exact same structure as a perfect essay. It's just scaled up. Let me show you how this works. Take a look at this, the classic 5-paragraph essay. You've got an introduction, 3 body paragraphs in the middle for all your details, and a conclusion. Kind of looks familiar, doesn't it? Well, it should. It's our paragraph recipe, just bigger. This is the secret right here. Your entire essay structure is a mirror image of a single paragraph structure. Once you really get that, writing a whole essay suddenly becomes way, way less scary. And check this out, it maps perfectly. The introduction of your essay, that's just a big topic sentence for the whole thing. The body paragraphs, those are your supporting details, where each paragraph digs into one piece of your argument. And the conclusion? Well, that just wraps it all up, just like a concluding sentence. It's the same blueprint, just on a bigger scale. So,
Just by understanding this simple, scalable structure, you have basically unlocked a new superpower. You now have a system, a real system, to take on any writing task with total confidence.
So let's nail this down one last time. What are the key takeaways? Number 1, always start with a clear topic sentence. 2, stick to one main idea for each paragraph. 3, back it up with good supporting details. 4, use transitions to make it flow. And 5, end with a solid concluding sentence. That's the recipe. And I really want you to remember this. These aren't restrictive rules meant to box you in. They are tools. They are powerful tools that free you from that anxiety of the blank page and give you complete control to build your ideas clearly and effectively. So the next time you're facing that empty screen, you don't have to feel intimidated. You've got the blueprint. The only question left is, what are you going to build with it?